Hi, I'm Sarah Lucero, Stila's Global Executive Director of Creative Artistry. We just launched a collection called Vivid and Vibrant. This collection has all of these jewel tones that are vibrant, shimmering, and gorgeous on. At the campaign, I created several looks. One of the looks is called the Rainbow Eye. I combined 6 new shimmer and glow, vivid and vibrant shades. What ties this set together is this vivid Labradorite. This vivid neutral complements the warm, rich tones and the cool jewel tones. Start with vivid Labradorite, then applied to the inner corner of the eye. The next color is vivid Jade. Apply in a half moon shape next to the vivid Labradorite. This will create an ombre effect and start the rainbow vibe. So for the third step, I wanted to go with something with a little bit more warmth to it. Vivid Smoky Quartz is a perfect bronze with a bit of a brass golden hue to it. So it balances out that gorgeous emerald green and allows me to fade into the rainbow. Which brings us to the fourth, which is Vivid Garnet. This is the warmest jewel tone in the bunch. Now we're going to the last 2 cool tones. The Garnet and Amethyst were going to be the perfect partners next to each other for the vivid ombre eye. We have the shimmering purple of the Vivid Amethyst, deep blue of the Sapphire. This is the most daring color, the Vivid Sapphire. So apply to the outer corner of the eye with a bold stroke. Use the thin side of the applicator to apply on the lower lash line and really create your cat eye effect so that all of the colors sparkle together in a wonderful play of colors. Be bold, be brave, and be beautiful.